What's going on, YouTube? Uberman here. I apologize. First off, I'm still a little sick, so I wanted to make this video because I didn't want any more of a delay than there already is. So I've been watching cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Litecoin, and my Ripple, which are the three cryptos I'm invested in. And I'm not going to lie, I've told you guys this before. I'm brand new to this. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm listening to a bunch of other people that do know what they're doing. And everybody's telling me, don't worry about it. This is normal. Just hold on, hold on, hold on. Well, I took out my initial investment about a week ago. So that the only money in these accounts was basically free money. I'm not playing with my money. I'm playing with house money. So I wasn't too worried about it. Now, yesterday I had $4,000 in profits, if you will, on paper. And I was like, that's still good. Even if I lose all of it overnight, it's free money. Well, today my opinion changed. As I'm looking at Coinbase right now, Bitcoin is at 9,500, down 20% from yesterday. Litecoin is at 147.83, and that's down 28% since yesterday. So here's where I'm at. This is all free money. This is not my money invested. It just dropped again. I've been watching it, and it's just dropped. So I sat here, and I made a really difficult decision. Do I hold on like the people that understand cryptocurrency are telling me to do? Or do I pull out now? I'm down $1,000 since yesterday. If I'd pulled out yesterday, I would have had $4,000 in my bank account tomorrow. But when I woke up this morning, I was down to $3,000. So, I could have had another $1,000 in the bank had I pulled out yesterday, but I was determined to just hold on and ride this thing out. But looking at the way it just keeps dropping, I'm too nervous to keep my money in here right now. So, I walked away with $3,000 in profits. And I'm happy with that. I'm not going to complain. Now, from what everybody's telling me here in the near future, this thing's probably just going to bulldog. It's just going to take off, and skyrocket. And if it does, well, I'm doing it backwards. You're supposed to buy in the dips and sell when it's high. I just did the opposite. Now, I did buy when it was low originally, but I just sold off way lower than I should have. And this could be a rookie mistake of mine. But I can't help but be nervous because I'm sitting here thinking I had 4,000 yesterday. Now I'm down to 3,000. And if I wait much longer, what if I end up with nothing? I'd rather take my $3,000 right now. It's free money. And I'm just watching it drop right in front of me. I don't know enough about this industry to feel comfortable watching $4,000 disappear into nothing. So I'm not telling you to pull out. I don't know any more than you guys do about it. The smart people that I talk to tell me to hold on. So I went against their advice, and I'm selling when I should be buying. But that's just me. Personal opinion. Everybody's telling me this is the time to buy in. Like right now, Bitcoin's now at $9,400. All right? $9,400. Litecoin is at $145. So yeah, this would be a great time to buy in. But it's just one of those things. I'm too nervous. I'm too skittish. I took my $3,000 and I walked away with it. Now Bitcoin is at 95.60. So I'm sitting here watching it, and it goes down. It bounces up a little bit, then it drops considerably more. I'm just wondering how far is this going to fall. And is it going to come back up? If I see the prices start to head back in a nice solid upward trend, and I know I'm doing this backwards, I will probably put some more money into it and see what happens from there. So again, I'm not telling anybody to sell. There's no fire sale. But I feel obligated to tell you what I did at the least because I'm nervous about it. And, I'm the one sharing all this with you, so I'm just sharing my experience with you, what I'm doing right now. So comment below. Tell me I'm an idiot because I know I am for selling. I know that probably in a couple days or 3 days or a week or something, people are going to be laughing at the fact that I sold so low when I should have been pouring more money into it. I did buy more Ripple. I bought quite a bit more Ripple. So that's a good thing. But as of right now, I'm just too nervous. So you guys get the opportunity to laugh at me down in the comments and tell me what a fool I am for selling right now. And tell me what you think. Tell me what your prediction is. I know a lot of you out there are smarter than me. So comment below. Tell me what your thoughts are. And as always, like, comment, subscribe. Stay safe out there, and Uber and Lyft on.